More breaking updates coming in. This is yet another case of crop brutality which has now come to light, this time from Tamil Nadu. And this is from a Tatarmadam police inspector who has been now named as the prime accused in the FIR for murder and kidnapping. After 3 days of public outreach, he has been suspended from his duties. The cop has been accused of working in cohorts with an AIADMK member in a land grabbing case. The cop has been accused of kidnapping a member of the family whose land they allegedly grabbed. The AIADMK member has also been now suspended from the party. Let me go across to my colleague Pramod, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Pramod, this is a very serious case there against a cop, again from Tamil Nadu, and this is a case of kidnapping and murder. Tell us about the details of this case and what action so far has been taken against this cop, apart from a mere suspension that has been given out to him.
Absolutely. Yesterday, Inspector of Tatarmadam Police, that is Hari Krishnan, and Thirumana Velan, AIDMK secretary, a party official from Thoothukudi, the party man was actually dismissed from the party, and Hari Krishnan, the police inspector, was suspended. When we tried investigating into it, we got an FIR copy from Thoothukudi district, where it has very clearly mentioned that Inspector Hari Krishnan is the accused number one in kidnapping and death of a person called as Selvam. This FIR has been actually filed as per the information provided by Selvam's mother, who has very clearly mentioned that for almost a year, her 3 sons have been abused continuously by this inspector, who had filed several cases against him, all because to colluding with the former AIDMK official to actually grab 1.35 acres of land. And what occurred is that after the Selvam's death, which occurred on 17th, they produced CCTV footage of what exactly happened, how he was kidnapped by Thirumana Velan and such, and only after that an FIR was filed. And the bigger question here is that Inspector Hari Krishnan is not yet arrested. Only after 3 days of public outrage, he has only been suspended so far, and the former AIDMK official has surrendered to the court. And several questions are being raised currently, because since June, such police brutality case is on the rise in the state of Tamil Nadu, and the Home Department falls under the Chief Minister, who has not yet responded to any of these activities. But after public outrage, the case has been transferred to CBCID currently.
All right, Pramod, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there in this case.